Hey, if you want to share your live location on the POCO X6 Pro, I can recommend you to do this with the Google Maps. So all you have to do is just open the Google Maps, then go to the Explore and click on the right upper corner on your profile. Then tap on the location sharing. And now we can click on the new share, and from here you can find the list. First, you can share your real-time location with someone for example, 1, 2, or 3 hours, or until you turn it off. You will have to turn it off manually to stop sharing your location. And now from here you will actually get some contacts. Let's say that I want to share contact with this account and I have to click share. Now I have to wait, and as you can see now I'm sharing my live location with this contact. So now when this person go into the location sharing, I will be able to actually this person will be able to see my location, and also can request to get location of this account. And that's how it looks. If you want to stop your location sharing, you can click on the settings icon, and now just click here to turn it off, to stop sharing your location. And that's all right now. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.